Hey guys, it's Rev from Rockfield, and today we're going to be doing a review of Hasegawa 1/35 scale excavator. Now, this kit came with about 175 pieces, plus a figure. I built it in about 3 weeks. I really wanted this build to look realistic. Weathered it with AK Interactive and my airbrush. Added some chipping colors with a gray Sharpie. The decals were really nice. As you can see, looks painted on. Also chipped that with a tweezer. Weathered the tracks also with AK. The blade can move up and down. Can spin. So, this has been a really good kit so far. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.